Hi everyone, my name is Varsha and welcome to Study with Varsha. So, if you are following my channel, you already know that I have already shared a playlist of Git on the topic of Git. There, I have explained how can we install Git, how can we clone Git repository from the GitHub, and how can we initialize it, branching strategy, basics, Git basics for beginners, basic Git command, each and everything I have explained in 3 or 4 videos. So now if you'll think that again why you are going to start git command. So if you don't know, so let me show you. If you will if you are following me, so if you'll go here in playlist, I already have created one playlist for the git. Okay, see, so here I have uploaded 3 videos. Okay, so in that I have
Hi guys, my name is Varsha and welcome to Study with Varsha.
10 git essentials command and
Hi guys, my name is Varsha and welcome to
this is
Study
the
with Varsha.
command.
So today I'll discuss
Most of the
most
things
used
I
Git
have
commands, and you all know that I already have
I
started a playlist.
already have explained most used git commands and other things. Now the question is why I have started the class today also. So many people thinks that we can use git by cloning with github, with server. So my agenda today is very clear. If you will see this, so we will use the git command on in windows without server, without github. So how can we do that? I will explain and I will teach each command and explain very clearly. So without any further delay, let's start. So you just have to go to uh, download git. Okay, just write download git bash. Okay, and you have to install git bash for the windows. I already have installed, so I have git bash here. Okay, and let me close it and I will show you from the scratch. So this is the git bash. Once you will install, you will get like this. Okay, now just search where we are. I am inside my users and workshop. Now if you will see, this is all the file which is in my windows. So we should have to not confuse. Git means that is distributed version control system. It means we can work on our local laptop and at last we can push it to the github. It's not like without internet we can't work, we can work. So that things only I will clear. So I'm just showing here why I'm listing, just to show you that okay, I did not connected with anywhere, this is my local laptop itself. Got it? Now some of the command is there which I will show you. See, this is the command. It's not like you will get anywhere. First you have to mkdir git practice, means you are creating a git practice kind of file, not file, branch, sorry, folder. And then you have to go inside that folder. Then you have to initialize git. After that you have to create file inside it and you have to write something and then you have to check. So let's do one by one. Okay, first command mkdir. So we will open it. We just write mkdir and git practice. Just copy it if you have doubt. Git hyphen practice. Okay, so I have created the file. Now list it. So if you will see git practice, my file ls-lrt, I will show. Yeah, this one I have just created a directory. Okay, last one 1548 I have created. Now clear the screen with the command clear. Now I have to go inside that folder which I have created. Just you write git and insert the tab button. Now pwd. I am inside git practice. Inside it we have to create one file. So touch what I have written. Sorry, first we have to initialize, then we have to create a file. Okay, let's do that also. Initialize I already covered in my video. How can we do? Git init. Initialized empty git repository. Okay, now touch file1 dot txt. Okay, I have created. After that I have to write something with the command echo. And what this command, it means whatever I am writing in this inside this file1, it will going to cover save in this file1.txt itself. Okay, so touch file1. If you will list, file has been created. Let me do one thing, increase the font. Now I think you people are able to see. Now just do one thing. Sorry, clear the screen. Yeah, now if you list it, we have created the file1. Now after creation of the file1, we have to write something, okay, inside that file. So you just write like this. Okay, echo my first git practice, and so this is the file name. Now just save it and do ls. Open this file and see what it is. It is written my first git practice. So according to your requirement, you can write whatever you want to read. So this is the text file. Okay, now we will check the git status. Okay, so git status. So it is by default branch is master, so no commits yet, and this file is not in a tracked mode. So I already have covered in my git series that staging area and all the thing. If you didn't see, go and watch it and then come to here. So this branch master, because no branch I have created, so it is by default it is in branch master. Till now I didn't make any commit, so that's why no commits yet. And this is file.txt. This is the file which I have to do. Currently I am in master branch. Okay, now it means we see that the file is not in a tracked mode. So to make it in a tracked mode, we have to write git add. We have to add it, git add file1.txt, and then we will commit it. We have added. Now let's commit it. Okay, we have committed it. Now we will check the logs, git log. Your current branch master does not have any commit yet. Means we have to check again git status. So see, now this time when I run git status command, so it is saying unmaster branch, but we didn't make any commit. So let me check what I have made wrong. So git commit -m, first commit. What it is written? Author identify. Please tell me who you are. Okay, so why it is not committing? Because before committing the file, you just have to configure it. Configure means with the help of the command git config -- global user.email user.name. So let's do that and then we will commit it. So git config -- global user.email, and any email you can write. Varsha Singh, like not real. at the rate gmail.com. But in company you will do whatever it is, it will be there. Okay, so now same thing, but instead of email you just write name. So I have written Varsha Singh, and in place of user dot email, you just write user dot name. Okay, now it has been configured, and now try to commit it. Yeah, so it get committed. Now we will check the git log. Yeah, so author is Varsha Singh, date, first commit has been done. If you will check the git status, so see, unbraster nothing to commit, working tree clean means nothing to commit, means it got committed. Okay, so see, I didn't have configured it with any GitHub. This is everything I am working in my local laptop itself. Okay, now we will git add dot update file, branch dev, checkout, switch. So this all like git reset soft, git checkout. So see, if you want to take a screenshot, you can take the screenshot. This all command, if you want to run, you no needs to a server, no need to connect with GitHub, nothing is required. This command you can practice in your Windows itself. Now we have talked about all these things. Let me do one thing. People have a doubt. Okay, ma'am. Some people ask, okay, give me the PDF and all. See, that is fine, but why I am saying this, I will always recommend all of my users and followers, and even me, I didn't go with, like, today a lot of AI tools is there, chat GPT, Gemini and all, but that will not always give the correct answer. So if you want to study really, and without you have to be sure like this information whatever I am getting, that is correct. So suggest you to go official documentation. Always refer official documentation. So this is the Git source code management system. This is the official document of Git itself, which today I will not going to explain everything, because if you will see, all the things is there, lots of thing is there, so you no need to learn all the things. But in future, if you want to refer it, so I will suggest you what, like, here it has been written name. Okay, name. So this section shows the name of the git command or tool. Okay, git, okay, hyphen v for version, hyphen h, that is for help, hyphen c for path, okay, and hyphen exe, path, all the path, html, fetch. So every software has an official name and identity. So Git introduce itself here. Now second is their synopsis. Okay. If you go in the name itself, it is written Git is a fast, scalable, distributed revision control system with an unusual rich command setup provide both high level operation and full access. So this is the thing which have been written. And see here, option hyphen v hyphen version. So you just write na git hyphen version. So it will show the version of the Git. So that is the thing what hyphen v will do, what hyphen help will do, what. So here it have been written. So if you'll go how to config, see y hyphen c config hyphen env, it is required. So everything it is there. Hyphen man, what it will do, like man we why we use hyphen p. So see, work through. So many things is there which it already it's there. Git commands is there, so that command is high level. And so synopsis means what? This is the synopsis, but what it means? It means the section shows the syntax of the command. Okay, so synopsis tells you how to write the command correctly. It is like grammar in English. So this is a book, this is a pen. So this is that is a grammar. Okay, in when we are talking in English, the same way synopsis in Git or any language, that is the syntax, like how can we write. So if you will see git hyphen hyphen version, we used to write, for example, here if you'll write git hyphen hyphen version, okay, it will show the git version. So if we'll simply write git version, it is giving. Is it giving? No, because this is not the synopsis, means this is not the correct format. So git hyphen hyphen version, git version, yeah, git hyphen v. So that will show the version of the git. It means that is the command. So that is nothing but synopsis. Okay. Now description. So if you'll go, git is a fast that I have run. So what it means? It means the command does, like what the command does and why it is used. So it will explain. Description means, if for example, if we are written git clone, so that will copy a remote repository to your local machine. So that is how synopsis tell us how. Okay, synopsis will tell how, and description will tell what and why. Got my point? This will give the name. Synopsis will how, like how means command, means format. Description will tell what, like what I am going to do and why I am doing. So that information you will get in description. Fourth thing, here it has been written option. What is option? In simple term, if I will tell, list all flag and parameter used with the command. This is the flag. Print the git shoot version of the git program came from. So this is like git clone hyphen b main, yeah, git clone hyphen def. So options are like setting. That I will discuss. So options is there now. So if you're using your mobile phone, so if you'll go in setting and you will check, or if you are mobile setting or fan speed or git command options, so that is only option. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Option means this flag and parameters. After giving the flag, you have to give parameter like hyphen hyphen elf, hyphen hyphen git hyphen hyphen help. So that is the flag, and after that you will write what. So this is only what? Option. Now git commands. So in git command there are two kinds of command. One is high level command, one is low level command, that is plumbing. So there are user friendly command used daily by developers, जैसे कि like git status. Just now I show you git add command, git commit command, git push, git pull. So every day, day to day life, developers use this command. Okay, but pour clean means plates and cup. Okay, and clean, easy, and like daily usage. So this is the high level command. So we separate the pour clean. Here we have written, we separate the pour clean command into the main command and some ancillary user utensils. So what it means, pour clean? Pour clean like plate and cups, and here it is written like utensil like this, means easy, cleansy. So here git hyphen add, git hyphen m, git hyphen archive. So 90% of the developer use only this command in day-to-day life. So this is the thing, high level command only. Now this is the high level command which every day like git clean, git clone, git commit, git describe, git diff, git fetch, git grab, git log. So all this thing is high level command. If you want to practice, you do refer it. I will mention this URL in my video itself, so that you people will refer this, or you can know git-scm.com/docs.git commands. Now low level command, what it means? So these are internal command. Internal means although git includes its own pour cleaner, its own low level commands are sufficient to support development or of alternative pour claims. So like manipulation command, are you getting? So like git cat file one, git apply, git checkout. So these are low level. Here it is have been written that it is plumbing command. Plumbing means what? pipe inside the wall. So you normally don't touch it, but whenever we are doing something difficult, like that time we will use. At the time of, like for example, when you are constructing a building, at that time only inside the wall you will insert the pipe, correct? Every time you are, every day you are not going to insert the pipe inside your wall. So this is a low level command, but when you are constructing your building, at that time this command is required. In the same way, whenever you are doing something new, at that time you need this command. This is important, but why this is most important? But this is low level command, because why? Because it is, we are not going to use every day, that's why it is written low level plumbing command. Okay, now here it have been written guides. Guides means the following documentation pages are guide about Git concept. So Git concept means what? It means step by step learning guide for the Gits. It's like Git workflow, branching strategy, and best practices. So if you are confused in Git, start with guides only. Here, Git tutorial, if you'll go, it will redirect to another page, Git credentials. So everything you will get from here. Now, next come to the repository commands and file. Okay, so this documentation discuss repository and command interfaces which users are expected to interact with directly. What it means? It's too technical, ma'am. I'm not able to understand. It means simple. Explain how Git interact with repository, command, and internal files. So that is only repository file and interface. Example, .git folder is there. In that, head is there, object is there, reps is there. So Git real data lives inside .git folder. If you'll see, just do ls-al .git folder. So this folder is there. So every information about Git is exist here. Now file, what it is there? Git repository. Yeah, file format, protocol, and other development interface. What it means? It is that this documentation discuss file format and okay. In simple term, if you'll understand, so this is explain how Git stores data, how Git communicate with SSH and HTTPS, and how tools interact with Git. So very important for DevOps like CI/CD, GitHub, GitLab, SSH keys. So all these things we will do if we have knowledge about file format protocols and other development like Git format, bundle, Git format. So this is the command, and if we'll click on it, it will redirect to the page where you can study it. Now configuration mechanism. Okay, so Git uses a simple text format to store customization that are per repository and as per user. Such a configuration file may look like this. Okay, ma'am, too technical, don't understand. Okay, no worries. Configuration mechanism, if we will talk in a very simple way, it means how Git configuration work, means how we can connect Git things, like how we are connecting, configuring Git with Jenkins, GitHub, anything. How we are configuring means connecting. That is only configuration mechanism. So, and like config means, for example, here only I just show you how I have been configured with the command git config -global user.name. So I have configured myself username. So configuration level means system level, global level, local level, and it is important for the interview. Don't worry, I will take one session on the interview question. Like normal level I have shown, but next time I will show 50 question, normal to advanced level on the topic of Git. Next thing, what it is, configuration mechanism we have understood. Now identifier terminology. Identifier means, here you have written indicate the project name or something. So in simple term, identifier used in Git is like commit SHA, branch reference if you are taking. So every commit has a unique finger point like object, blob, tree, commit. So that is nothing but identifier terminology. Now symbolic identifier. Symbolic means, symbol like head indicate the head of the current file, tag head. So head represent where you are currently working in the Git repository. So all this thing is there. You will go and you will explore it, Git's index, everything is there. As of now, if you have any doubt, just comment in the comment box, I will explain. And this is the video about the Git. I already have uploaded 3 videos. This was the 4th video, and one video only I will explain. There I will take a interview question answer, and if you have doubt, please comment in the comment box, I will explain more easily. Thank you for watching Study with Varsha. Have a great day, guys.